So you see how I went light? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. There we go. And that's that, you guys. Super, super, super bomb. Now I'm gonna go into the Frankie Rose brow soap because I don't want my brows to look harshly like picked up, the hairs. I really don't want them to look harshly picked up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the brow soap with some setting spray, and I'm going to lift my little pelitos to where it gives it a little lift, but they're not like harshly picked up, you know? Like it just gives it like a nice little lift to the pelitos. So this brow soap is from Frankie Rose. It was in one of my bundles and it's super, super lightweight. Super, super lightweight. It does not leave your pelitos like all sticky or like anything crazy. Like it's just a lightweight little brow soap. So if you guys have like really thick brows, this is actually gonna be really good for you guys. Because it just like picks them up a little, like nothing too crazy. See that? And it just gave them a little pick me upper. Like that. Nothing crazy. Nothing too much. Sorry, Mama. I needed to go up close. Hi, dude, it's hot in here, huh, babe?
It's hot in here,
Yeah.
okay.
I love the way you do your makeup so effortlessly. Aw, thank you, Mama. Honestly, this is such an effortless look, to be honest. Okay, now lashes. This is my favorite part. What color is the blush? My favorite. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my eyes, which I'm so excited, and then my lips. She got them dissolved. Yes, my lips. We were just talking about that yesterday. I was like, bitch, I can't see myself with fake lips anymore. Like, I just can't. Can you, babe? Can you see me with fake lips? No, huh? Like, if I were to tell you tomorrow, like, babe, I have an appointment to go get my lips done. Huh? But would you let me do it, though? Aw, you're so cute. Why are you so cute? Algo quiere y no dinero. Ay. ¿Qué será? Una nalga de la movie. Your lips look fire, but you had them smaller back in the day. Like my real lips, well, to be honest, I don't have any more lip filler, guys. Look, like this has like nothing, like no type of lip filler. Lo que pasa es que pues I probably got older and, you know, better looking. No, I'm just kidding. I really, really genuinely feel like I'm like at my best looking. Maybe not my best feeling, because, you know, life can be a little crazy sometimes. People just stay fucking with you. But I don't know, like I feel like I'm at my best looking. Like I looked like a twat last year. They're like, no, bitch, you still look like a twat. I'm like, oh, period. Love to look like a twat. Just cutting my lashes just a little bit at the corners, because don't nobody want some crazy ass lashes, bro. Alright. Did I scare you guys? Girl, I ordered the weight loss pills, period. I missed it. What job did you get? Honestly, queen, I was just bird calling y'all, clickbaiting y'all. But the way this economy is, tomorrow it may not be a joke. I miss your Facebook lives. Me too, queen, but fuck Facebook. Fuck Facebook, they're only loyal to Yeti. I'm just kidding. Dead asshole. I'm like, bro, how come everybody's Facebook doesn't work? I'm like, y'all trying to force me out of here or what? Are you going to the Grupo Arriesgado concert? Mind your business. Yes, I actually am gonna go to the concert, but I'm sad because I'm going single.
Who said you're going single, bro?
Like without my man.
Legit return the tickets right now.
Like without my man, like I'm going without my man. Es que lo que pasó, déjales digo el chisme de lo que pasó ahí. Lo que pasó ahí fue que my friends, my friend said, do you guys want to go to the Grupo Arriesgado concert? And I was like, fuck yeah, let's go. And I told Brandon, I was like, babe, are you down to go? He's like, yeah, babe. And I was like, do you play those days? He's like, I don't think so. I honestly don't think I play those days. He's like, so yeah, let's go. And I was like, okay, period. So I told the girls, yes, we're down. And these girls got it like that. I'm just kidding. And they messaged me like literally 2 days later and they're like, hey, we got the tickets. This is the total for your tickets. And then Brandon goes and looks at his schedule and he's like, babe, I fucking have a tocada that day. And I was like, baby boy, the tickets were almost $500. Like, now what? And then he's like, he was pissed, girl. He is not for me going by myself. I got your tattoo. Ooh. Period. Send me a picture of it. And so he was like, not for me going by myself. He's like, dude, he's like, the only reason why I'm letting go is because you like it was expensive and I'm not gonna make us like throw away like that money, you know? He's like, but I would never let you go by yourself to a concert, just so you know. And I was like, oh, period. So that was like my free my free card to go somewhere by myself. Which, to be honest with you guys, I really don't want to go. Ay, sí, te va a dejar ir solita, dale un melatonin, y NyQuil, Brandon. Period. No, I'm going with Bertha and Chela and Melly, so like, it might not be like bad. And I don't know. You know what? Controlling a bit. Nah, girl, I would not let my man go to a concert by himself. Not at the beginning stages where you're all like in love and like you're just now starting. 10 years later, maybe, girl. Go with your friends. I don't give a fuck. But I feel like when you're like really starting a relationship, así es con todos. ¿Para qué se hacen?
¿Cómo hacen la assumption de controlling?
¿Para qué se hacen? Like, ustedes tampoco no dejarían a su novio irse al pinche concierto solos. Like, come on. You know? There's literally nothing wrong with that. So there's nothing wrong with them not letting you go, and there's nothing wrong with them letting you go either. Like, there's nothing wrong with anything. You guys handle your relationship the way you guys want, but don't call people controlling, because bitch, you know damn right you would not let your man go by himself nowhere. And if you do, that's cool too. I would. You have to trust them. It's not about not trusting them. Listen, I've always said this. It's not always your man that you don't trust. Sometimes you don't trust bitches. And that's the motherfucking truth. You guys do not know the shit that has happened to me. Like, but my own friends, not my girls, my close friends. I do not. But like my own friends, I've seen shit happen in my eyes that I'm just like, oh, that's how we roll in. Also not with Brandon, just so you guys know. But you are going, so he is not controlling. Yeah, he's being nice, and he's letting me go. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Here. You mad? No. I let my husband go play poker, but with my brothers. Sometimes you can't even trust those. I'm just kidding. ¿A dónde apunta la chancla ahora, babe? No sé. Ahí ando modo de. Pero ahorita quiero que sepan. You guys want to know who I am? Oh, I don't even have the picture on this one. Dude, the lashes are on my stories right now. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on it. They're bomb. Oh, here we go. Why haven't you been live on Facebook? Because it don't work, mama. Hopefully it works tomorrow. Okay. Tengo mil planes. Me los chingo los dos. This lipstick might be a little bit too light for me. Let's try it. I bet you anything she's not gonna go. Don't be surprised if I don't go, you guys. Do not be surprised if I don't go. Cause I don't know. I mean, I really do like Grupo Arriesgado, but who knows? Todavía no sé.
So, para non-consumption ako ng Adeline, guys. I'll text you right now.
Fernando,
Yeah.
do you want to wait for me or do you want to go get him?
Whatever.
You know, wait for me? I'll be like super quick, babe. I'm ready at my hair point. You like your man more though. Yeah. Than who?
Dale canto en el desierto. Oh. Supera.
Cántamela pues. Cántamela pues.
No me has dado cantar, estoy entendiendo.
Do you have anything in the works? I do. Honestly, I was a little sad because I had like such a slow beginning of the year, and then with all this getting blocked and shit, like you kind of just, you get a little